title of the song?
Violet, grapes and orchids, yams and acorns. Violet, violet, oh I will discover, oh I will discover. How about you? Do you like it too? You like?
Yes, of course. I like the violet color. Next
likes
is
it.
we're going to learn the
Matinik awaw, apoy, atis, amam,
aba,
abanico, ate, ahas, abudo,
avocado. Very good.
abu,
Very good.
asin, aso, ama, apa, amama, payo, pamaya,
Ampalaya.
ampalaya,
Very good. Next one.
Agiwa.
What's this?
Agiwa.
Agila.
Agiwa. Abon. Anim.
Very good.